Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and I just got home from having breakfast with my friend at one of my favorite little food trucks here in Austin called Curcuma. I got the cashew ricotta toast and a delicious reishi mocha. Mwah! So good. So today I'm going to be doing some hardcore reorganization, starting with the guest room. Nobody uses the guest room in 2020, obviously, and it seems like a shame to just have a room not be used when Andrew and I are both stuffed in this office and my online shop is run and stocked and packed out of this office. There's just too many things happening in this room here, and it's definitely something that is a pain point of mine, and I think my weeks would go a lot smoother and I'd be able to fulfill orders a lot quicker if I had a dedicated station for that. I really have no idea what to expect, but I will show you the current state of this room. Here we go. This is the current office. We have new products for the Homebodies in here. We've got some ceramics. This is where I package everything. So this is the Homebodies inventory closet and it looks insane. Basically, this closet is usually pretty organized, but that requires me to move some of the things out. It's just not ideal to have to set things up and break it down every single day in order to function in this office. So that's another reason why I need to get all the Homebodies stuff out of here and just find a new system, because I just want to make this office feel as calming and creative as it used to feel, but now it just feels like a packing zone. So this is what the guest closet looks like, and I think I'm going to switch all of the Homebodies stuff and put it in here and move all of this stuff into the office, and then hopefully just clear out things that we just don't need. I honestly don't know if I'm ready for this, but we're just gonna dive right in. This is my wedding dress that got ruined while being dry cleaned after the wedding. I don't want to talk about it. All right, so we are making progress. This is the Homebodies new closet. And as you can see, it's just a lot of boxes kind of stacked on top of each other. It's definitely not ideal. I think eventually it would be nice to build a couple more shelves so that I can have this area here taken up, but that's not really a priority right now. So doing the best I can with this setup, but it already feels so much better being in this room. Okay. I'm gonna take a break from organizing because I forgot that our newsletter needs to go out like in 30 minutes. So it's been kind of like lower on the totem pole. As much as I love writing these newsletters, there's a lot going on right now, and so I'm trying to prioritize what's the most impactful thing I can be working on, and definitely think that cleaning out the closet and reorganizing that is very impactful for my own peace of mind and efficiency during the week. But I'm gonna take time now to finish up the newsletter and send it out. Send. Cool. Now we can get back to organizing. Okay, so this is the mostly final look of the guest room / the Homebodies packing and fulfillment center. It's not the most beautiful setup, but it's the reality of what I've got to do. I have to ship things out and I have boxes and you just got to store it somewhere, and I'm not going to invest a ton of money into making it gorgeous. It's really just me in here packing away. Now I'm going to actually fulfill a few orders and I'll show you guys what that kind of looks like. This looks so much better. I have my office back. It looks really great. Oh, I feel good about this. I feel so much better. This closet is quite stuffed now, but that is fine. I can live with it for now. Let's go fulfill some orders. We'll see how it feels. Okay, so I just packed a few orders that were placed over the weekend, and now I'm gonna start prepping boxes for tomorrow because we have to pack a bunch of ceramics and ship those out on Tuesday. So I'm just going to batch create boxes, get them all ready to go, so that when my assistant Caitlin comes over on Monday, we can just pack away the ceramics, print out the labels, and schedule the pickup for Tuesday. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna document it because I really just wanna get this done. It's like 6:15, I'm really tired, I'm really hungry, and yeah, I don't feel like lugging the camera around anymore. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.